Well, I just painted this condo, and yes, it's only a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It doesn't look like a whole lot, right? But there is so much detail and so many things that need to be done when you get ready to paint a project like this. If you want to watch that, stick around. Oh yes, it's time to go home. I finally got it all put back together. Everything's painted, everything's put back into place, and that's how you want to leave a job. You want to leave it as good, if not better, than when you found it. Okay, I took my time. Yes, it took me a little bit longer than I thought to get this all done, but hey, follow the steps and you can do it too. Well, that's all I got time for, but I'll be back with more videos.